Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can draw on your video with Doodle feature on InShot application. Alright guys, here I have opened my InShot application on my phone and I'm going to open my video draft. So I'm tapping on the video option and this is my draft, so I'm going to tap on it. And then if we want to draw on our video, the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the text option, then click on the Doodle option. Then here you can draw on your video. You can select the brush that you want to use, and I'm gonna go with this one. And you can also select the color for your doodle. You can also adjust the opacity, and I'm gonna go with blue color. Okay, and let's start a drawing. I'm going to draw like this. Okay, and after you're done, you can click on this check mark button. Okay, and we can adjust the position as well. You just need to tap and hold on the doodle. You can also zoom in or zoom out like this. Okay, you can adjust the length. You can adjust the length right here. I'm going to make this a doodle align with the video. Then after we're done, we can click on the check mark button. And alright guys, that's how we can draw on our video with a Doodle feature on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.